Let's face it, sometimes we all get into tight financial situations and we just can't wait until our next paycheck to get the funds we need to take care of our bills or emergency situations. If this is the case, then we're here to help. We're proud to be the premier local payday loan provider, and we can get you the cash you need in as little as 1 day. Even if you have poor credit, if you have a consistent weekly paycheck and current employment, in most cases, we can get you approved for a payday loan. So contact us now and let us help you get the cash you need. All you need to do is fill out a simple loan application and we can get you an answer right away. We look forward to talking with you.